We'll guide you through how to fix one AirPod not charging. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a really annoying problem as it means that one isn't going to be working as it's got no battery. So we've got some different fixes you can try. The first thing we're going to try doing is resetting it in case it's some type of software or internal issue. So what you want to do is go and open it up, make sure they're both in there, and go and double tap like so. Then you can go and double tap again, and again. You'll hear 3 beeps and it will start glowing or flashing orange. Go and wait for the reset to go and finish. When it's finished, it will start glowing white. You can close it and open it up again, and you can then go and pair it again to your phone. Go and give it 10 minutes or so, and go and charge the case as well, just to make sure the case has got battery as well. And go and see if the problem is now solved and if the AirPod's got some charge. If it still doesn't, then what we want to do is go and open up the case. Go and take both AirPods out. And you want to go and look where the AirPod which isn't working and just make sure the case is clean. Dust and debris can get in there and stop the contacts from getting to the AirPod and therefore stop it from charging. So what you can do is go and blow in there, or you may need to go and use a soft brush to go and clear them. Also, check on the AirPod you're having the issue with in case the connectors on it itself have some debris on which is stopping the connection. This can happen quite easily as a lot of dust and stuff can be in your pockets. After you've done that, place them both back in there. Once again, you can plug the case in and give it 10 minutes, and then hopefully after that, they'll go and have some charge and you can go and start using them.